front, pipe down. All right, come on, we got 43 minutes left. Down, and what? And what? Boom. Hold my nuts up, hold my nuts up, hold them up. Get that shit on my face, bro. Oh, I'm about to kill this nigga. Hey, yo. Any last words? I'm about to kill this nigga. Watch out. Oh my gosh, I'm killing this nigga. Oh my gosh, it wasn't even close. I killed that nigga. Killed that nigga. Killed that nigga. Bro, he just a tryhard, bro. Like, he just good at shit like this. And when we actually on the court, he's some shit. Way too fucking easy. Way too easy. He's a bum, and the nigga over there, you're a bum. And all you niggas that, hold on, coming back. And all you niggas that probably good at this shit, y'all some bums, because I ain't even nice in the room. It don't matter, he's still some shit. Like, it don't matter. Yeah. I'm gonna get him right now. One like equal one prayer for this nigga. Let's go. $31 to $44. I was just playing around. They put his shit on easy mode, bro. They rigged this shit. Actually, some shit. Like, he never makes buckets like this. I cooked this nigga. This nigga's some shit. He ass. I don't know. He think he good because he can play when we not even really hooping. It requires no physical activity. You can't beat me. You see, you did not beat me. You see how when there's no physical activity? Guess what? You didn't beat me, and there's camera proof that you didn't beat me. There's no physical activity. He's some shit. I don't know why you think he good. He a bum. What's up? We just playing air hockey. I cooked all these niggas something like you beat me once and I beat you once. So well, back to what I was saying. You didn't cook. I cooked all these niggas. It was something like that shit on my face, bro. Man, this is shit. That nigga still. I ain't even playing. That nigga still. Look at that nigga. Look at him. He looking at odd shit. He look odd. Shooting when it doesn't count. You lost, bitch. Shooting when it doesn't count. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe if you're new, and I'm out. Niggas think they Duke Dennis. Hey y'all, welcome back to another J. K, nigga. T. Banger. Hold on. I know we have the intro, but I'm already cooking these niggas on some lyrical shit. Mayonnaise, color bins. I push Miracle Whips. Watch this shit. I ain't gonna lie, sucking Kanye's dick vicariously is kind of crazy. You're losing, buddy. Already. We just got here. Nigga got 0 points already. We just how? So today we're doing bowling at 3 a.m. and it's our birthday. So we just turned 21 and we thought we'd do something fun instead of drinking. Right? It is very fun. I'm whooping these niggas' ass and everything. It's the first one. Shut the hell up and start. Go ahead, it's your turn. Right, what's your game plan? My game plan is to make sure I roll it straight at the arrow. That's all you got in for. So how do you feel after the air ball? I know it wasn't on camera, but I think maybe I should have started with the 10 ball and kept using the 10 ball. I tried to switch to the 8 ball to make it feel better, but it did not help. So I'm gonna go back to the 10 ball. That's my ball right there. Yo, this nigga Justin's losing. Oh, you're back on. Yo, this nigga Justin's losing bad, bro. Look, I done got a spare and only hit one. I airball crazy just now. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, cat. Yeah, cat. Yeah, cat. Yeah. I'm not gonna lie. She's cooking this nigga right now. Bro, why are y'all on my dick? Oh, that's a spare. Oh. I give you that. Oh my God, bro. Come on. This nigga looks so sad. We go that. Oh, I thought I was about to fall on you. He's not about to get this on it. I'm on some hitter shit today. He's not getting this. Yeah, yo. Nuts in his face, nigga. Nuts in his face, nigga. Alright, you're just in crossfire. It's okay. Damn! Yeah, all that stuff, nigga. Pipe down, hand in front, pipe down. I don't care if that was a spare. That was everywhere. That's just the first one, though. You ain't noticed it. That's just the first. He doesn't know. That's the first. That's the first. That's the second time your breath stink, man. God damn. Yeah, matter of fact, Justin, get your wife on camera. Get your wife on camera. Cameraman, you are a bad influence. What did I do? Because you're causing her to airball. No, y'all just on my dick. It's just because like a person who always go first is always going to do the worst. I'm losing bad. Look at this. Look at this shit. Y'all see this? Nigga, I got 9 funky ass points. Oh my lord, we're done. Huh? You're in single digits? Yeah, I'm in single digits. Get off my dick. If y'all heard the shit he said before we come in here, y'all would be surprised. We got many more games out of this. This ain't the only game. We do got many. I feel like I'm holding it right.
You didn't look up no tutorials before?
Fuck no.
Dumbass.
I'm not taking this shit serious.
Dummy.
How's your 21st birthday, man? Pretty good so far. I was doing a lot of work, and then this is the first celebration bowling. I think we're doing a phenomenal job so far, keeping everybody organized. Okay. It's fun though. Not getting drunk. That's for you. Just for YouTube purposes, I do not drink. I still don't drink. Into the lens, not the mic. All right. Take my dick out of your mouth, okay? You got a camera. You got a camera. Use it. You got a camera. Learn how to use it. I don't drink. I don't know where this nigga keep getting this shit from. But he keeps trying to spread false narrations on my name. You know, that's not nice. I don't like that shit. He better chill if I fuck his ass up like Diddy. Fuck that. Oh shit! Oh my god! I was like, what the fuck? I don't know how I'm actually doing because I ain't supposed to roll it this way.
I usually roll it like this. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like I got my finger like on some Spider-Man shit. So like I have to, you know.
Oh my gosh! I should never listen. I should stay to my game plan. I don't know why I listen to this nigga. I had it down pat, and then this thing saw, so I rolled like Spider-Man.
This nigga's actually losing by quite a landslide. Look at him.
It's bad I had Dicky though.
Yeah, you would know. Get them fucking bowling.
Watch out, bro. You gotta stand back.
You right.
If you cross that line, shit.
You're so not serious.
Looking off after that was crazy. He hit one. That was crazy though. Ooh, this one feels good as fuck.
Maybe just a little hand ass nigga.
Nah, it's just at the 10.
Man, go nigga, we paying with time. Yo, it stopped and then started recording right when that shit airball. How you feel after that performance?
I'm not gonna lie, I'm about to take these shoes off and I'm about to go play arcade games.
W over the shoulder.
Yeah.
Stroke that thing, cuzzo.
Huh?
Stroke that thing,
cuzzo.
cuzzo.
Oh, I airballed. Oh my gosh, I airballed.
Go ahead, get it rolling, boy. What?
You ain't gonna tear your wife on? Oh, I had my hands full. Close enough. It was close. Justin, you're a bad influence. I'm gonna say that shit. Oh, holy fuck, bro. Like, bro, I've been sitting here, my dick's been getting sucked. Fuck. You didn't say pause?
No.
Almost. Yeah, no. I'm working again.
Nah, it's good now. That's the best he's ever done. I got that on camera. That's the best he's ever done. It's
just
not
remember,
even
this don't count.
Oh, it's getting close. It's getting close. Oh, damn. How you feel after that airball?
Bro, get that shit out of my face.
Just to let y'all know the scores. These two at the bottom don't count. They just got here. It's those four that we worried about. Oh my god. Y'all got that on. Yo, I got.
That shit didn't even get past the second arrows, gang.
Y'all got this shit on film, gang. Oh, damn.
Shit's so bad, cut off the power.
Bro, as soon as you said,
I got start.
As soon as the nigga said say like it stopped recording.
We playing on time. I got another one in me. It's cool.
Okay, yeah. Damn.
Oh my God, I arrowed. Yo. Oh my gosh, this is getting bad. This nigga did this. He said, why you throwing like that? I can avoid the air balls. We gonna get it back. Hey, you gonna fuck up, man. You gonna fuck up. Stop playing, Justin. Stop playing. Hold my nuts up. Hold my nuts up. Hold them up. What? Wait, say it again. You gonna hit these. What the fuck? Trying to you some shit. See? Yo, reverse psychology works. Oh, I'm going. Yo, why did I do that?
Oh my
Yo, why JMT has a record 26 points?
Oh my gosh.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? These niggas on my dick. Boy. I'm gonna look. Well, I just turned 21, fully legal. These niggas is still riding me, bro. Like, I'm just trying to bowl, bro. I haven't been bowling in years, so, but we're not here to make excuses. We just here to play, so I'm gonna try and come back for y'all niggas, man. I can't let y'all down. Oh God damn.
I was in second. Nice.
Oh, shit, type shit.
What happened on the practice one, buddy? Yo, sick.
I'm sorry, that is too much. That's too much. All right. See, this is like being a black man in America. Niggas get hated on, bro. Shit not fair, bro. Ain't nothing to hate on. We just need the facts, nigga. Alright, let me see if I can try to bowl the right way.
Okay.
Y'all bowl like this. Like you let it go like that.
I mean, you gotta do underhand. You see?
Oh my gosh, it's over with. I just figured out the form. Oh yeah, this game. Y'all niggas about to lose. Give me this shit. Give me. Hey,
what do we have
back the camera
here?
Back the camera off, man. Hey. Sorry.
Good hit, Trey. Good hit, Trey. Good hit. Good hit.
I was close. It wasn't a bad hit. Putting your fingers in the hole? Are you putting your fingers in the hole at all? You are? Oh, bro. I was just asking a question. And look, I like having fans. I like having fans. You feel?
Did you want to record this whole thing? You're the editor, so.
No.
It was close. It was close.
Oh, he got it. Now, and what? Boom. Don't know who it was. In order to curve it, it has to come on, we got 43 minutes left, niggas.
Give me.
Hey, wait, I think he's gonna hit. We got technical difficulties. This shit keeps stopping recording, so we just gonna record when we finish. On that one, because I like how you ain't on that one.
That's the way you're airballing for the last step before the end. All right, cool.
Got you.
Final score from game one. Trey won first place. Cat came second place. Trez came third place. Yeah.
Why JMT finished last place in both?
Holy fuck.
Oh my goodness, this shit hurts.
Bang.
Give me one. Hey.
Thumbs down on their grave.
No. No. Who the hell giving you one? No.
Hey. Dog shake on that. So the current score is I have 2 strikes. Niggas was hating on me last game. Now look at this shit.
Oh shit, hold on, babe. Go ahead. Oh, don't do that. Yeah, hit them pins, yes. Yeah, hit them pins, yes.
But see, niggas is talking shit. I got 2 strikes. Niggas is talking shit. I got the most strikes out of everybody here. It's crazy. Game don't count. Nah, eat a dick. Nah, hell no. Hell no. You gotta hit 10.
Huh?
You gotta hit 10.
Nah, I'ma hit more than y'all and I'ma win, so eat it.
Yeah, cat. Yeah. This man, give me some. Yeah. Huh? I say you're not even doing a concept. Why did you start? You started. You started.
That brother's focused.
Focus. Not good enough.
He wasn't focused enough, huh?
There you go.
Oh, Jesus. He on a run now.
What? I scored to myself. That was probably one of the dumbest play of all time.
Hey. Yeah. Ooh. No, that was hot. Nah.
He jammed that down.
Nah, he made sure that you was good.
Alright, that
boy was serious.
there you go.
Okay.
There you go.
Okay.
We're not out of this.
Yeah, you're done. You're done.
All right, bet. Watch. Come back.
4-6. Comeback. You think it's a comeback? Oh wow, that's crazy. You just lost that like that.
What?
Oh yeah, he ended you, gang.
Well, we hope y'all enjoyed this video. I feel like he's so funny. Why are you staring like that? Come on.
Ew, bro.
What? Nigga blew into my ear.
All right. I hope y'all niggas enjoyed this video. Bro, listen, I was cooking. Straight lane switching. Pin hitting. That's really not gonna matter in 2 months. Anyway, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe if you're new. We almost at 500 subs. I need y'all to get us there.
Yeah, we almost at 500.
500.
We hit 500. We try to hit 500 before the summer. We hit at least 1,000 by the end. One thing we learned from this video is that this nigga's really good at sports that don't require that much physical activity.
No, because you're not finna do that. Stop undermining my talent, okay? Just because I cooked you in bowling doesn't mean oh, it's a sport that doesn't matter.
All you did.
You know what's crazy?
I'm gonna tell you all
that
you
means
did.
you suck.
Okay, I'm gonna tell you. All he basically did to win the game was learn how to finger.
All I did was
all he
cook you.
did.
All I did was cook you. All I did was cook you. It wasn't learning. All I did was cook you. That's all I did, right? Gaming. You're good at gaming. That takes a lot less effort than bowling, right? All right then.
The fucking breath stink.
They give YJMT a donation.
Well,
This has been another episode of
J.
K. T Unit.
Banger. And we're out. Type in the comments, happy 21st birthday. Y'all have a good one.